Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
Hey everyone, and welcome to this video about allopurinol. Today I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this medicine. Allopurinol is mainly used to treat gout and kidney stones that happen because of having too much uric acid. It can also be used if you have high levels of uric acid because of cancer treatments. So how does it work? Allopurinol lowers the amount of uric acid your body makes. This way, it helps prevent those crystals that cause pain and swelling in the joints. It's important that you know how to take allopurinol correctly. It usually starts with a low dose that is gradually increased. The dose you need to take will depend on each case, so always follow the doctor's instructions. Like all medicines, allopurinol can have side effects. The most common are skin rashes, upset stomach, and dizziness. If you notice any of these symptoms, talk to your doctor right away. It is also very important that you do not drink alcohol and stay well hydrated while taking this medication. To sum up, allopurinol is a very useful tool to control uric acid levels and prevent problems like gout and kidney stones. Always remember to talk to your doctor before starting any treatment and follow their instructions carefully. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this information has been helpful. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.